Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Klarna merchant payouts, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Klarna merchant payouts, begin by logging into your Klarna merchant account. Navigate to the dashboard once you are logged in. Locate the payouts section on the dashboard. Click on payouts to access your payout overview. Here, you will see a list of all pending and completed payouts. Identify the payout you wish to withdraw from. Click on the specific payout to view its details. Ensure all transaction information is accurate before proceeding. Look for the Withdraw button associated with your selected payout. Click on the Withdraw button to initiate the withdrawal process. You will be prompted to select your preferred withdrawal method. Choose between options like bank transfer or another available method. Enter the required details for your selected withdrawal option. Double-check all information to avoid errors. Once confirmed, submit your withdrawal request. You will receive a confirmation notification regarding your withdrawal. Wait for the processing time specified by Klarna for your chosen method. Keep an eye on your account for the updated payout status. If you have any issues, refer to the Klarna support section for assistance. Follow up to ensure your funds are transferred successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.